Welcome to the Google Analytics Tracking ID Guide, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of website analytics. In this guide, we will cover the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for setting up and using your Google Analytics Tracking ID. First, let's start with the basics. A Google Analytics Tracking ID is a unique code that is used to identify your website and track its traffic and behavior. This ID is used to collect data on your website's visitors, including their location, device, and actions taken on your site. To get started, you will need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. Once you have done this, you will be given a tracking ID, which will be in the format of UAXXXXXX. This ID is used to track all of the data for your website and should be installed on every page of your site. There are several ways to install your tracking ID, including using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager, or by adding the code directly to your website's HTML. Regardless of the method you choose, it is essential that the tracking ID is installed correctly to ensure accurate data collection. One of the most critical aspects of using your Google Analytics Tracking ID is ensuring that it is set up correctly. This includes setting up goals, events, and e-commerce tracking, which will allow you to track specific actions taken on your site, such as form submissions or purchases. Best practices for using your Google Analytics Tracking ID include regularly reviewing your data to identify trends and areas for improvement, using filters to exclude internal traffic and bots, and setting up dashboards and reports to help you visualize your data. In addition to these best practices, it is also essential to ensure that you are complying with all relevant laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, by providing clear and transparent information to your website's visitors about the data you are collecting and how it will be used. In conclusion, your Google Analytics Tracking ID is a powerful tool that can help you understand your website's traffic and behavior, and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and using best practices, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of your tracking ID and making the most of your website's analytics.